The roadmap for CMA US after 12th. Simply put, the US CMA course has come out in India over the last few years like no other course, and there are a lot of advantages to doing this. Number one, it's a well recognized international qualification that has value in India. Two, the ability for people to cover everything in the field of finance and accounts in this course is extremely high. Third, the kind of uh, opportunities that you have not overseas but also in India are almost equivalent to that of CAs. And finally, the time advantage that CMA US gives is like no other. So how does it work, right? First of all, we've already made a detailed video on CMA US. If you've not seen it, please do. It'll give you a lot of clarity before you can come back to this video. Also, guys, if this is the first time you're visiting this channel, then please do click subscribe. We create a lot of content like this to help people make career decisions. Back to US CMA. First of all, if you've just given your grade 12, I would say at the earliest, right, in your first year if possible, complete CMA. CMA can take anywhere up to a year, but it can even take you as less as 6 months to complete the entire qualification from the academic aspect. There are two parts, like I've explained in many videos in the past. It's one part covers accounts, one part covers finance. You can give the exams quite flexibly in the year, and you'll be quite easily done with your exams. There is a 2-year work experience required for CMAs to be eligible for membership or licenses, and of course you need your graduation with it. But if you can complete your academic part in year 1, you're more or less accepted in the market as somebody who can be working as a CMA, but you'll have to wait for your graduation to get the license. Also, in your college itself, after you're done with CMA, you will have enough time that you can actually, depending on your attendance in college and the other requirements, you can also work for 2 years along with college and generate that much of work experience. Or whenever you can, whether you do part-time work or in your vacations, try and take as much of work in the field of finance and accounts to add to your CMA qualification, so that by the time you graduate, you have both the exams and the work ex. By any chance you cannot have work ex, study other things in your college, and as soon as you're done, work for 2 years in the field of finance and accounts and get the CMA US license. That's all that you need to do, guys, to actually make use of CMA. CMA US gives scholarships to a lot of students in college. So I think if y'all understand, you can first of all reach out to us. We'll obviously guide you on the scholarship. But most importantly, if y'all are ambitious, y'all are aspirational, y'all want to do something by yourselves independently, then taking up CMA US, finishing it in less than a year, trying to get work experience before college, graduating and earning your license, that also with a scholarship, I think is the best way to build a base where you can stand on your own 2 feet, enter the field of finance and accounts, and hopefully make a fantastic professional career.